Welcome to my channel, Delicious on the Pan. Today I'm going to show you how to make protein pancakes. So let's just begin with the ingredients first. I've taken 2 cups of plain flour. You can also take self-raising flour, coconut flour, or even almond flour. Just remember, the consistency and fluffiness of the pancake will change according to the choice of the flour. And then I've got 1 cup of white sugar. You can even take raw sugar. Here I have taken 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, it's also called bicarbonate soda, and a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Here I have taken 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can also take unsalted butter or ghee as an option. Here I've got 4 tablespoon protein mix, which is a mix of flaxseed, sunflower seeds, almond, pumpkin seeds and sesame seeds. It makes the pancake crunchy, and this is the reason I have named the recipe protein pancakes. Pancakes are served with maple syrup for adding sweetness and moisture to the pancake. You can easily get maple syrup in stores, or some prefer to even make maple syrup sauce with blueberries at home. And here I have taken 2 eggs. You can skip them if you don't have eggs. I've also taken 1.5 cup full cream milk. Mostly pancakes are eaten with complementary food items like banana, strawberries, blueberries, which can also be used in making maple syrups. I've also taken choco chips to make chocolate sauce. As you know, kids love chocolate. And I must tell you that this recipe is like a one-stop shop recipe. You don't need to go in different stores to buy the different items. I'm sure you'll get all your items in one shop. Maybe Coles or Woolworths or any other supermarket. So let's begin making pancakes. So for making pancake batter, take a bowl, add eggs and beat them. Now add sugar and mix it well till it dissolves nicely. You will see the color of the mixture changing to a nice creamy vanilla. Now add vanilla essence and mix it well. That gives a very good smell. Now we will add vegetable oil. You can see that I have added all the wet ingredients first, apart from the milk, which we will add later. It's time to add all the dry ingredients. Add plain flour, then add baking soda, baking powder, add a pinch of salt, or sift all the dry ingredients together. Then add the main ingredient, my favorite beautiful nut mix. And finally add the milk and mix it well till the batter becomes smooth and creamy. You can see there are no lumps in the batter now. The batter is now ready to make pancakes. Take a non-stick pan and keep it on a low heat. Do not add any oil or butter. When the pan is hot, pour the batter in small portions. I prefer to make medium-sized pancakes. Now wait till you see mini bubbles on the pancake, and if the pancake is rising, this is an indication that the other side of the pancake is cooked. Now flip the pancake. You can see the beautiful golden brown color. Cook for a little while. The protein pancake is now done and I've removed it on a plate. Similarly, we will make few more pancakes. While the pancakes are getting cooked, you can chop your strawberries, bananas, and even melt the chocolate chips to make the sauce. Our protein pancakes are now ready to eat. Please like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching Delicious on the Pan.